Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where we dive into vehicles built for real-world driving. And today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4, one of the most popular compact SUVs designed to handle daily life with confidence and efficiency. The Toyota RAV4 has earned its reputation as a go-to choice for commuters, small families, and active lifestyles, and the 2026 model is expected to continue that mission. It's built for people who want a dependable daily driver that can handle city traffic during the week and road trips or outdoor plans on the weekend without stress. On the outside, the 2026 RAV4 is expected to maintain its bold and rugged design language. The upright stance and strong proportions give it a confident look, while sharp body lines add a modern edge. The front end is likely to feature updated LED headlights with a more refined shape, paired with a clean grille design. Around the back, the taillights are expected to stay wide and functional, reinforcing the RAV4's stable and capable appearance on the road. Inside the cabin, the RAV4 focuses on comfort, durability, and everyday usability. Materials are expected to be practical and well-finished, with soft-touch surfaces in key areas. Seating is comfortable and supportive for long drives, and cabin space is generous for a compact SUV. Rear seat room and cargo space make it easy to carry passengers, groceries, or weekend gear without feeling cramped. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to be offered in multiple trims, ranging from value-focused options to more premium and adventure-oriented versions. Higher trims are likely to include upgraded interiors, enhanced technology, and more rugged styling elements, while lower trims focus on efficiency and affordability. Engine options are expected to include an efficient four-cylinder setup, with hybrid variants continuing to play a major role. Performance is tuned for smooth acceleration and predictable handling rather than outright speed, making the RAV4 easy and confidence-inspiring to drive in everyday conditions. Fuel efficiency is expected to remain one of the RAV4's strongest advantages, with estimated figures that make it appealing for long-term ownership. Official numbers have not been confirmed yet. Technology is expected to include a modern touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, along with Toyota Safety Sense features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to start around a competitive price point, making it ideal for buyers seeking reliability, efficiency, and versatility. In the end, the RAV4 continues to represent Toyota's balanced approach to modern SUVs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon for more updates.